Hi, on Friday, everybody is calling it a Black Friday now. The market crashed. Sensex crashed by about 1500 points. Nifty went from plus 105 to minus 350, almost a big movement of more than 400 points. And this is where a lot of people lost a lot of money here. But on this day, by trading the short side of the market, 12 of the Pathfinders traders combined, they could make more than 11 lakh rupees. There was one of my traders who booked a profit of 2 lakh and 81,000 rupees, all professional seasoned traders now practicing for many years. Another one made 1 lakh 40,000 rupees. This is 1 lakh and 29,000 rupees. And this is the crash, as you can see, that happened into the market. So 1 lakh 27,000 one of the traders made, 1 lakh 6,000, and many more you can see down here. Combined together, these 12 traders made more than 11 lakh rupees. So tonight, I'll be talking about what are they doing, what have they learned, that even in this crash, they could make this kind of money. Then there are two stocks tonight that I'll be talking about. One is Divan Housing Finance, which led the crash on Friday, which closed 42% down. Another is Yes Bank, which closed 29% down. And I'll be talking, what kind of outlook is there in these trades. Plus, I'll also be talking about from here, is the market likely to bounce up tomorrow? Will it go a little up, or is there a chance that market will travel down further towards 10,800 or maybe even below that? So these are the things that I'll be discussing today in the session that I have from 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock tonight. In the content down, there is a link for registration. You can register with the link there and attend the session in the night, where I'll be discussing about the direction this market is likely to take. I will also take a session where I'll answer your queries, and you can ask me about your stocks that you are holding, and I will try to give my view on it. I'll also be talking about many other aspects that makes a good trader and a good investor. So see you tonight, 9 to 11. Go to the link down and you can register and attend the session. Welcome to Pathfinders Training, and see you in the session.